Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So a buddy of mine gave me a bunch of rusted tools today. A lot of good stuff in there, and which is perfect timing because I've pretty much run out of anything that I can work on, except for there's a handful of things that I've hit roadblocks on that are just, forget it. I'm done with them. I'm not even going to fool with them anymore. And so today I thought that I would start something relatively simple, and that's this. It's a hammerhead, rusted out. I'm going to clean it up and put a handle on it and make it useful. So let's do it. Okay, so here's where I'm at. I'm pretty happy with this. Looks pretty shiny, and I cut the bottom off where it was so thin that there was a hole growing through it. But I need a handle, and this is really the type of handle that I wish I had, but I don't. This is a handle for a claw hammer, and it feels right. It kind of tapers down here, and it's thin right here. However, I don't have that. What I do have is a handle very much like this. Okay, it's a ball peen handle. The thing, I got this at the flea market for like $1. So I'm going to go ahead and try to use this anyway, and then I'll sand it down a little bit on the sides to give it a profile that feels a little closer to that. The question I have right now is I don't know if I'm going to mount it on the top and then cut the bottom so it's the right length, or if I'm going to go ahead and mount it, pardon me, or if I'm going to mount it down here lower and then just leave the bottom as it is. So I guess I'll have to try it at the top first and see how that works, and if that doesn't work right, then I'll cut it off and do it this way. So Anyhow, that's it. Let's get at it. Well, that's it. I think this one turned out pretty good, actually. I might have done the handle a little differently if I could go back, but you know, I think this is fine. I like that I used the walnut stain, and as you can see, I added some paint. So I need to do just a little touch up there where I screwed up, and then I'm going to give it one more quick polish, and I think that's it. So thanks a lot. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.